Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. Today we're taking a look at the Air Max 90 Duck Camo in the Volt colorway. So I already unboxed this, obviously, as you can see, and that video is up on the channel where I unboxed like 5 different pairs of sneakers. Of course, you have seen the infrared colorway. Have you seen these though? I had a feeling that I was gonna like this colorway a lot more, and yes, I do. Fresh out the box, you do get a few different lacing options. So you do get, of course, the white color that comes with it. You also get a black color and you get a Volt green color as well. So here's the new Volt color. So of course, the original Duck Camo colorway came in sort of an infrared colorway, and that was an Atmos collaboration with Nike all the way back in 2013. And this year we had the Reverse Duck Camo, which is near enough identical to that Atmos collaboration, and that was released on March the 26th on Air Max Day. So Nike is obviously trying to get a little bit of that collaboration money all to themselves through releasing these colorways without Atmos. And it brings us to this brand new Volt colorway, a beautiful summer sneaker that is guaranteed to break necks. This Volt colorway released on May the 15th and retailed for £120 or $140 if you are in the US. And it features this lighter camo print, so a lot lighter than, of course, the OG Duck Camo color. And I think I prefer that a lot more. It is really nice looking. On top of that, you do get some black overlays. So of course, the Nike swoosh, which you find on the lateral and the medial side. The little Air Max logo, which is atop this kind of rubbery plastic, which you also find on the back of the sneaker. Volt green mesh covers the toe box of the sneaker, really bright looking, and of course goes all the way back to around the ankle of this sneaker. Moving down to the midsole of this sneaker, you do get 2 contrasting elements. You get this white portion, which is the EVA or whatever cushioning system Nike put in this, and then moving further down, that clear window into the air unit, which when you look in, you can see some more of that Volt green color, which I think is a really nice detail. And of course, the outsole is in that classic Air Max 90 traction pattern, which is this kind of Volt green, which is slightly lighter than the upper, and then moves over to some black elements on the bottom. And in terms of fit and sizing, I don't even know if I need to get into it. Most people should have at least tried on a pair of Air Max 90s by now. This is an extremely classic silhouette. However, if you haven't, then this does run true to size. Personally, I feel like it fits me pretty perfectly. The Air Max has been around for so long. It originally was released back in 1990, hence the name, and was designed by the legend himself, Tinker Hatfield. So this is an extremely classic sneaker. Now, even though we just saw this colorway release, I actually saw a brand new colorway in the pipeline, which is this orange camo color, and it is a very vibrant, very colorful orange, but I think that's a really cool idea. Go ahead and bang out some more colorways of this duck camo print. I really like it. I like the contrasting colors. It is a really nice shoe. I know there is a lot of Air Max 90 heads out there which literally collect all of the different colorways. I am not one of them. I definitely appreciate the sneaker. I like it a lot. One thing is for sure, when I thought about getting this sneaker, I didn't think I would like it as much as I do. I think for summer, right around the corner, this is a brilliant sneaker. I think you guys will like this as well. I'm glad that Nike is pushing out more of these colorways. I think it's a solid sneaker. And if you think so too, make sure you let me know down in the comment section. But with all that out of the way, what are we doing here? Thank you for liking, for commenting, for subscribing. I'm almost at a K. I almost got a K, one singular K, and I really do appreciate it. I do appreciate the support, the DMs, guys. Start a conversation. I do appreciate that as well. Everybody who has been in my DMs recently, I do appreciate you. Thank you, guys. And this is the Volt Duck Camo. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'll see you in the next one, and until then. Now, if you got to the end of this video and you didn't subscribe, the hell are you doing? Go back, hit the goddamn subscribe button, go right ahead, click that subscribe, join me in the, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but just join me.